How to Win Temu Farmland. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and today I'm here to help you out. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first register on Temu app. If you're not already a Temu user, sign up on Temu website or mobile app. Provide accurate personal details and contact information while registering. So complete the email and phone verification required for registration. Secondly, complete KYC verification. Once registered, complete full KYC verification providing documents and details as needed on Temu. KYC verification is mandatory to participate in Lucky Draw. Number 3, active usage for 3 months. Start actively using a Temu account by making purchases and transactions. Use Temu for minimum 3 months and build up lifetime spending of $500 or above. More spending increases chances of winning. For purchase lucky draw coupon, Temu lists special lucky draw coupons of different values on its deal listings. Purchase any lucky draw coupons depending on your budget and eligibility. Active the coupon in your account. Next, get draw entirely. Each lucky draw coupon provides a certain number of lucky draw entries as mentioned on the coupon details. The number of entries determine your chances of winning. More expensive coupons provide more entries and chances. Number 6, wait for draw date. Once you have your entries, wait for Temu's announcement of the lucky draw date. It is usually announced within 1 or 2 weeks in advance. So mark the date and keep track. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.